Today, we're going to talk about a common issue with the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 and how to fix it in just under an hour. First things first, let's check the spark plugs. If they're worn out or damaged, it could be causing the misfires. Replacing them is a quick and easy fix. Finally, let's check the coil packs. If they're damaged or worn out, it could be causing the misfires. Replacing them should solve the problem. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can fix the misfires issue on your Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 in less than an hour. So, the next time you encounter this problem, don't panic, just follow these steps and you'll be back on the road in no time. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Until next time, happy driving!